How to remove Meta AI on WhatsApp. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you remove the Meta AI on your WhatsApp. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open the WhatsApp on your device. So simply you have to open it, and now from here you'll have to tap on this three dot just at the top right corner of this screen. So simply tap on it, and now from here go with the option settings. Okay, so from the settings section you'll have to tap on chat section. So it's depend upon your countries and regions. So here you got options like Meta AI. So from there you can turn in and turn off. So basically this AI is the latest features for you to learn new things and chat with the AI. So you can turn on and turn it from here. So if your country or region support this feature on your WhatsApp, you can turn in and turn off from there. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.